What if I told you that you could sell your Amazon FBA stock before you have even bought it? Now that sounds impossible, but it is exactly what I'm going to show you guys in today's video. I've built a brand new website called We Buy Any Lead, where you can get instant cash offers on your stock. Have you found a cracking deal, but you're just not ungated for that brand? Sell it to me. Are you sitting on stock that's selling slower than you'd like and you got Amex at your door trying to make you pay a credit card bill? Sell it to me. Have you found a lead that you haven't even bought yet and you want to lock in that profit before you spend a penny? Sell it to me. And have you got a tech deal that you can't even sell on Amazon, like an Apple product or Dyson Beauty? I'll buy it. Sell it to me. I've sold over £6.6 million worth of products on Amazon, and I'm ungated in pretty much everything. And my business is built to move stock fast, even outside of Amazon, which is exactly why I can pay you cash for products that you can't sell or just don't want to wait on. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how We Buy Any Lead works, how to get your first instant quote, and why selling your leads to me can actually flip your cash over faster than selling on Amazon yourself, allowing you to actually make more profit than even just selling it on Amazon. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'm going to break down the exact maths of how this lets you leverage credit and allows you to scale with the bank's money instead of your own in a pretty risk-free way. So let's get into it. So I guess I'll start off today's video by just showing you guys the website. So this is the site. It's called WeBuyAnyLead.com. If there's any kind of similar companies you might think of when you hear that name, I've never heard of them. I have no idea why they may have stolen our branding. That's, yeah, completely unrelated companies. But yeah, as the website suggests, you can sell your Amazon FBA stock in minutes. You can literally get paid same day by just entering an ASIN on this site, getting an instant quote. It then opens a ticket in our Discord server. I'll then manually check through the kind of deal, see if we can even up the price for you. And then obviously you can just get paid, and usually we can always do this same day. So it's just instant cash flow. You know, maybe you've gone a bit too crazy and you've bought a really good lead that maybe you can sell, but your Amex bill is due in a couple days time and there's not really enough time to send it into Amazon, get it sold, wait for a payout. You know, that whole process is easily 45 days. This site will allow you to just enter that stock. You'll probably get paid more than what you even paid for it in the first place, so you'll make some profit and you get that instant cash out. So yeah, let's have a look at the website. So these stats are all live. So genuinely, I have paid about £80,000 out since the launch of this site. I can't remember exactly when I launched it, but I think it was under a month ago. So I really have been spending heavy on stock that people have been sending me through this site. And you can see as well that 92% of what we pay is at or above our website price. So that just gives you that security that when you enter a price or when you enter an item on this website and you get a quote, you can know more often than not, we are going to be paying at that price or even raising it up even higher. Unlike certain other related businesses that may have similar branding or logos to us, we don't do the thing of
you give us an item and then we just go and try and mark down in as many places as possible.
We don't try and kind of reduce the quote we give you. It's kind of the opposite. We give you a conservative estimate of what we can pay for that item, and we'll do our best to try and increase that if possible. But generally it does give pretty fair quotes. I mean, I'll stick some reviews on screen now from kind of other people that have already used this service, and you will see that generally we do give really good prices on stock. We're not kind of being greedy and under offering here, and it's super simple to get started. So it's as simple as clicking login with Discord. That'll just take you to this page here. You just click authorize, so it just kind of links to your Discord account, easier than kind of having to remember another password or something like that. And it will take you straight to the offer page. So it genuinely is as simple as just pasting an ASIN here, putting in the price you wanted. Obviously we can't always give that price, but you know, stick a price in there. If we can do it, we will. Otherwise we'll give you a slightly lower price. You got to check this checkbox here as well. You will provide proof of authenticity, because obviously, you know, we can't buy stock that you've bought from some shady guy on TikTok or from some really dodgy website that's obviously selling fakes. You know, we only buy authentic brand new stock. And you can also check this if it's an A2A deal and the price has recently dropped. That'll just kind of ignore that, so it will give you a better quote based on kind of the long-term price history. And then you've also got this checkbox here where you kind of just tell the site that it's an A2A deal. That means that if the price has recently dropped, which is obviously where you're buying at from Amazon, it's not going to bump down your quote. Because of that, it's going to give you a fair price based on kind of the longer term price outlook on that item. So now I'm going to show you so obviously if you're gated on stock stock, or for whatever reason you can't sell it. And we even buy stuff like Apple, we buy gated Samsung listings. So the original idea for this website was obviously a place for people to actually just sell their gated stock, you know, products that they've bought where they've just been trying to get ungated with Amazon and they haven't been successful, so they can just kind of quickly liquidate it through this site. Or even products that they can't sell on Amazon at all, for tech, for example, for like Apple products, Dyson beauty products, hard gated Samsung listings, stuff that you literally cannot sell on Amazon. If it's tech, we still will buy it. Obviously, we have to give a slightly lower price because we're going to sell it for less money because we can't sell it on Amazon, but we will still buy it. But another really interesting way to kind of leverage this site, especially if you're a smaller seller with not so much capital or you're just gated on a lot of different brands, is to actually sell through this site for a profit on a regular basis. So let me show you what exactly I mean by that with a few different examples. So here we've got this Polly Pocket Addams Family thing. I feel like I had something like this as a kid. But yeah, you've got this kind of little play toy thing. It was £12.60 on clearance at Argos. So let's stick this into the site and let's say we want, I don't know, 30 quid a unit. We'll chance it. And let's see what the site gives us. So yeah, We Buy Any Lead is quoting £22.61 per unit that it will pay on this item. You know, and we're only buying that for £12.60. We're almost doubling our money, and we could literally just buy 10 of these, get it delivered, you know, even collect it from Argos that same day or get it delivered next day delivery, put the ASIN into that site, get paid out, you know, within days of making that purchase, and you're getting back almost double your money on this purchase without ever sending it into Amazon, wasting time with customer returns and just general annoyance of selling on Amazon sometimes, because as great of a platform as it is, it definitely has its downsides here and there. But we've just locked in a price, and that price will stay locked until 10th of September as well. So we know that at any time we can just literally buy this product, say they're continually restocking at that price, we can just buy more of these, sell them through the site and get paid almost instantly. I got another example as well. So we've got this Philips Hue Bowl, but another Argos clearance deal was like £28. So let's paste that in. We'll say, I don't know, 100 quid for it. Let's give it a go. And yeah, it's offering us £47. So not bad, you know, not quite the crazy ROI of the other one, but pretty good. And this is like with no fees as well, right? You will get exactly this amount paid out to your bank account. We pay for all of the shipping into Amazon or to our warehouses directly. And this is exactly what you get as well. There's no fees to this. There's no kind of postage to pay usually. We'll usually be able to just provide you prepaid postage labels for everything that you're selling to us. And let's have a look at another example, another Argos clearance deal. Argos did have a lot of clearance deals lately, so I just was easy pickings out of these kind of products. But yeah, £124 on this one. Let's stick that in. We'll do like, you know, 200 quid profit per unit, 200 quid wanted per unit even. And let's see what the website quotes us. So we're getting 185 quid for this. So we're making a little bit over 60 quid profit per unit. You could literally buy 10 of this item, sell 10 of these through the site, and you've just made £600 in a matter of days, literally days. No waiting around for Amazon, no kind of worrying about whether you're going to pay off your credit card or something like that. You can literally lock in this price before you even buy the item. You can even, you know, add it to basket, raise the ticket, just kind of triple check if you want to be super safe that we will definitely buy this item at this price. But you know, usually if the website gives a price, we're gonna buy it. It will automatically reject deals that we just will not touch, or it will give like really low offers if the deal is terrible. And it will also come up with a notification down here saying this deal has been detected as low quality, just to give you a warning that we might not buy it and the price kind of is subject to change. Something like this though, it's not coming up. It's a decent price that it's given us, so you can be pretty sure that we're going to be buying this. And it's not just the Argos clearance deals either, so I thought I'd give you guys a real example of leads that you don't even have to source yourself. You can literally buy these from my own Discord group, Live Cops. So here we've got this HP printer. So this was in stock at Costco. It was £93 with HP cashback, which is obviously really good, really cheap for this product. But you know, printers are terrible for returns, for example. A lot of people are gated on HP. It's a difficult brand to ungate. It's also just an expensive item. Not everyone has the money to kind of buy a load of these. They might have to stick it on a credit card that they've got to pay off within 30 days, which, you know, may not be enough time to get it shipped into Amazon and sold. But instead of, you know, wasting this opportunity, let's see what the website will pay us. So, you know, I'll keep it at 200, see what it gives us. And again, it's given us 136 quid profit per unit. And obviously this could go up. I mean, it's an expensive item, it's high sales. There's a very good chance something like this, we would actually put the price up. You can even click down here, request human review, and that'll just kind of flag it that we need to kind of check this price. But yeah, 136 quid. It was going for 93 with the cash back. So that's over 40 quid profit per unit, you know. Buy 2 of these, you make 80 quid. It's just so easy to make money with this site. Got another one as well. So we've got these Cadbury cream eggs. So these were on sale at Farm Foods as well as a retail store. Usually if you can get friendly with the managers, they're often willing to order in this stuff by the pallet load. Sells about 50 times a month. But yeah, you've got this item here. So this was going for £2.40 in stores. Let's have a look what it gives you on the site. We'll stick, I don't know, 20 quid in here, see what it gives us. And yeah, so we're getting about £6 profit per unit. So we're making more than double our money on this individual item. And you can literally go into Farm Foods and you could clear the whole shelf and that same day enter in that ASIN on the site and get an instant payout from us. So there you have it. That is We Buy Any Lead, the fastest way to turn your stock into cash. No waiting weeks for your items to sell on Amazon. No having to stress about storage fees, payout delays, or price tanking on these listings. Just an instant cash offer, cash in your account even the same day, meaning that you can then go straight back to buying more deals to sell to me. And that speed is really the whole point of this service. If you're funding your buys on a credit card, you can buy that deal, sell it to me, and have that cash back in your account before your statement is even due, which means you are flipping the bank's money, not yours. This then opens up the world of FBA to people who don't even have the cash to start. I always say that you need at least £1,000 to start Amazon to make it work, and honestly, even that, it's going to be tricky to make serious money. With this, that's just no longer a thing. You can literally have nothing in your account. As long as you can get a little bit of a credit limit, you can start buying stock and using the bank's money to build up your capital. And eventually, sure, you can start your own store. But for now, this gives you instant cash and an instant way to get rid of any stock that you can't shift for some reason. So if you want to try it for yourself, head down to WeBuyAnyLead.com. There'll be a link down below in the video description. You can drop in the ASINs there and you have an offer right in front of you within seconds. Now, obviously selling your leads is brilliant for cash flow, but you still need to know how to find those leads in the first place. And that is exactly what I teach inside my 6-month-long mentorship program, which includes over 10 hours of video tutorials, one-to-one calls from me, group coaching sessions, and access to my exclusive leads channel. Now, if that sounds like something you would be interested in, click down below in the description. The first link at the top will book in a free strategy call with me. And on that call, we can kind of discuss where you're at with your Amazon business, whether or not I can kind of help you move forward with Amazon, really whether you're a right fit for the program. And click up here to watch my free Amazon arbitrage course video where I'm going to show you exactly how you can source. Finally, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.